We're talking about a simple yet powerful health habit that you can add to your morning routine: drinking clove water. Now, cloves might just seem like a spice you use for cooking, but they're actually loaded with amazing health benefits. Drinking clove water daily can help boost your immune system, improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and even protect you against common infections. So if you're looking for a natural way to give your health a boost, you won't want to miss this video. Stick around as we dive into why drinking clove water could be one of the best decisions you make for your health. Cloves are small, dried flower buds from the clove tree, and although they might not look like much, they pack a surprising punch when it comes to health benefits. Clove water, made simply by soaking a few cloves in water overnight, is an easy and effective way to incorporate cloves into your daily routine. Let's talk about the many reasons why this simple drink can be so beneficial for our bodies. One of the main components that gives cloves their unique health benefits is a compound called eugenol. Eugenol is a natural anti-inflammatory and antiseptic, making cloves incredibly useful in fighting off bacteria and viruses. Drinking clove water daily introduces these benefits to your body in a gentle, effective way. Let's break down some of the biggest benefits of drinking clove water each day. 1. Boosts immunity. First and foremost, clove water is great for strengthening the immune system. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that fight off free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and weaken our immune system over time. Antioxidants help protect our cells and maintain a strong immune response. By drinking clove water daily, you're giving your immune system a daily dose of protection against common illnesses, helping your body to fight off colds, flu, and even infections more effectively. 2. Supports. Digestive health cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their ability to aid digestion. Drinking clove water can help reduce symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort. Cloves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients properly. This makes clove water a great remedy for those who struggle with digestive issues. Drinking clove water on an empty stomach in the morning allows it to start working in your digestive system right away, setting you up for a day of better digestion. 3. Reduces inflammation and relieves pain. Thanks to the eugenol in cloves, clove water has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often the root cause of many chronic diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and even certain cancers. By drinking clove water regularly, you can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of pain. This is especially beneficial for people with joint pain or arthritis, as eugenol works to reduce swelling and pain over time. Clove water can also help alleviate headaches and sore muscles, making it a natural and affordable alternative to over-the-counter painkillers. 4. Improves oral health. Did you know that cloves are also amazing for your oral health? Clove oil has been used in dental care for years because of its antibacterial and pain-relieving effects. Drinking clove water can help prevent gum disease, reduce bad breath, and even relieve toothaches. The antibacterial properties of cloves work to kill harmful bacteria in the mouth, reducing the risk of infections and inflammation in your gums. If you're looking for an easy way to keep your mouth healthy, drinking clove water daily can be a simple addition to your oral hygiene routine. 5. Enhances liver health. The liver plays a critical role in detoxifying our bodies and removing harmful substances. Cloves have been shown to support liver health by reducing oxidative stress and improving liver function. This is especially important for people who might have a higher toxic load due to environmental factors, diet, or lifestyle. The antioxidants in clove water can help protect the liver cells from damage, promoting overall liver health and supporting the body's natural detoxification process. By drinking clove water each morning, you're giving your liver a gentle boost to help it function at its best. 6. Supports respiratory health. Clove water can also be beneficial for respiratory health, especially during cold and flu season. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can help clear up respiratory infections and reduce congestion in the lungs. Drinking clove water may also help relieve coughs and sore throats, providing a natural remedy for respiratory discomfort. For people with asthma or seasonal allergies, the anti-inflammatory effects of clove water can also help open up airways and reduce symptoms, making it easier to breathe. 7. Helps control blood sugar levels. Research has shown that cloves may help in stabilizing blood sugar levels. This is particularly important for people who struggle with blood sugar spikes and crashes throughout the day. Drinking clove water daily can help regulate insulin function and reduce sudden spikes in blood sugar, making it a helpful addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. However, as with any health remedy, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider if you have any underlying conditions. 8. Promotes healthy skin.
Clove has been used as a natural painkiller, especially for toothaches. Clove oil contains a compound called eugenol, which has both anesthetic and anti-inflammatory properties. Next time you feel a toothache coming on, just try dabbing a little clove oil for quick relief.
If you're looking for natural ways to improve your skin, clove water might be just what you need. The antioxidants in cloves can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, reducing signs of aging such as wrinkles and dark spots. Cloves are also known for their antibacterial properties, which can help clear up acne and other skin irritations. Drinking clove water regularly can help promote a clear, healthy complexion from the inside out. How to make clove water. Now that we know the benefits, let's quickly go over how to make clove water. It's incredibly simple. 1. Take 4 to 5 whole cloves and place them in a glass of water. 2. Let the cloves soak in the water overnight so that their compounds can infuse into the water. 3. In the morning, strain out the cloves and drink the water on an empty stomach. If you're looking for a natural, simple way to boost your health, clove water could be the answer. Remember, the best health routines are those that are easy to stick to, and drinking clove water is about as easy as it gets. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Have any questions or other remedies you love? Drop them in the comments below. Take care, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.